In a pristine laboratory, a gloved hand orchestrates a chilling spectacle as clear liquid transforms a delicate object into a frozen masterpiece. The liquid cascades, and in a breathtaking instant, the object undergoes a metamorphosis into a crystalline sculpture, capturing the moment in suspended animation. The screen proclaims, "Hot ice, instant freeze," adding a touch of sensationalism to the mesmerizing transformation. In a meticulously detailed culinary display, the transformation of baking soda and vinegar begins, marked by a lively effervescence. As the bubbling brew subsides, a liter of water is gently introduced, setting the stage for a transformative boil. Under the watchful eye of the stovetop, the mixture ascends to a boil, heralded by on-screen text. Step 2. Add water and boil. The process is initiated with instruction. Step 1. Mix baking soda and vinegar. In the laboratory, everyday objects are plunged into a supercooled sodium acetate solution, resulting in the instantaneous marvel of rapid freezing. The magic: instant freezing. Fruits, toys, and flowers meet their icy fate in a breathtaking display of instantaneous freezing. In a mesmerizing ballet of cold, ordinary items are transformed into frozen sculptures in the blink of an eye.